So me and my friend went out, and one of my friends asked him, hey, can I make a quick call on your phone? I said, hey, sure, go ahead. I gave him my phone. And the next time I looked at what he was doing, he was going through my pictures. What? Going through my contact? Come on. He was then reading to my messages. Oh, no way. So guess what? I have an idea how to stop any other person from doing the same thing. Let me show you how you can do that too. Come to your settings, click on it. Now come straight to biometrics and security, click on it. Once you click on it, scroll all the way down to other security settings, click on it. Then you're gonna scroll all the way to pin, right here, all the way to pin. So when you get there, you have to turn it on. I've already turned on my own, so usually you sit like this. So you now come over here and click on it and turn it on. Then tap on it. So once you tap on it, you see this. This is very important. You need to read it, because this is how it will show you how you can pin and unpin an app on your phone. So depending on the make of your phone, it might be a little bit different. So you might want to read this. So it says, pin an app to the screen to prevent others from accessing features outside of the pinned app. When an app is pinned, features such as calling and messages are blocked. To pin an app to the screen, turn on pin windows, open an app, press keys, tap the icon above the app, then select pin this app. So you can see. Now let me show you how it works. So now I'm going to click on recent apps that I've opened up. I can see all of them. So now I'm going to click on the icon of the app. Just click on the icon of the app, which is in the center of the app, maybe the top center. Click on it, and you can see, yep, this is it. So come down here and come to pin this app, and let's click on it. So this is it. Now this shows you how you can unpin the app. So make sure your friend doesn't see this. Remove this. So it says to unpin this app, touch and hold the recent and the back button at the same time. So let's remove this, okay, and try going back. Nope, can't go back. See, it says to, yep, can't go back. See, to unpin this app, touch and hold the recent and the back button. Okay, so I guess it does show them how to do it. But seriously, they ain't going anywhere. Yeah, press all the buttons and you can't leave. So let's unpin it. So you press the recent and back button together, and that's it. Screen unpinned. So right now I cannot go back. So guys, that's how you can pin a app to your phone.